This is my boom and crash analysis for any scalper. So if you're scalping the boom and crash, you should definitely be using this strategy. Either you're a scalper or you're a swing trader or whatever. Even though you're flipping accounts with small with the boom and the crash, even if you're following the spikes or whatever, you need the boom and crash analysis. So I asked if you guys needed it in my previous video, and you guys requested for it. So I'm dropping it here. So I'm just gonna be taking you through how you're supposed to analyze the boom and crash market before you can go in for a position. For example, if you see a signal telling you you should go for a sell on the boom 1000, because I'm actually on the boom 1000 now. If it's signaling you to go for a sell, you want to know that you are taking the sell position at the right place, because anything you're doing, any strategy you're using without doing your analysis, you end up hitting spikes. So this eliminates spikes and reduces the risk of going in for wrong entries. So now let me show you some examples here. Let me just zoom it in a little bit. So now for the boom, you always want to be trading downtrends if you're taking the little candlesticks. But if you're following the spikes, you want to be trading uptrends here. This is the 1 hour time frame for the boom 1000. This is a little uptrend here. This is a downtrend. So if you want to go in for a position, much like when you get a position for a sell, like if you go to the 1 minute time frame now, we had a position here that says a sell. So this gives us the assurance that yeah, once we get these entries, we will definitely make money going in for a sell. So the indicators are not in this video. You can use my last indicator I dropped on my channel. So use those indicators, apply it with this analysis, this really simple analysis. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes or 4 minutes to do this analysis, and you know that yeah, you're confident about going in for a trade. So on the 1 hour time frame here, since we got that sell position and we see that this is a downtrend, we're not seeing any uptrends here. So that's giving us a really strong confirmation that yes, we should be going in for our sell at any moment. So let's say we get entries along this whole line here that is indicating sells. Yeah, we should be able to definitely go in for our sell confidently and take more than 10 candlesticks successfully. So if you're trading any of these places here, you should go in confidently. But now, when you're placing a trade on an uptrend for the boom, you definitely keep hitting more spikes and more spikes and more spikes, because you might get a confirmation and then you go in, but it spikes you out because it's on an uptrend. So you want to be, if you are following the spike, you can actually trade these uptrends. So now let's say you're going in for a sell position around here for the boom 1000. It's gonna give you a confirmation that yeah, it's on a downtrend. We can confidently go in for sell. You can equally just trade the higher time frame, like this 1 hour time frame here. So let's say the market was around here. So we should be getting a confirmation that okay, this market previously hit this level here, previously went up, rejected again. So we should be going in for our sell position around this region, or we wait till around this point. We go in for our sell and take it down here. Now once it hits here, we know that this is a previous reversal on this side, so it should definitely reverse here, or it continues downwards. So since it reversed, we should place a buy position here, take all these spikes all the way up till the market wants to reverse again, or it hits a previous point like this. So you should be exiting here. So from here all the way up there should be around 210 pips. So even with a $10 account, taking 210 pips is gonna give you a lot of money, a lot of money. So yeah, it happens a lot here. See these little patterns, you can take these patterns. This is what I do. I make sure once I see these patterns like this, I can confidently place a sell position even on my 1 minute time frame, ignoring the little spikes, and take it all the way down here. Place a buy position here, take all the spikes all the way up here. Once you get to this point of previous reversals, this is the support and this resistance. These previous resistance levels, you should exit the trade. So I'm telling you how to exit your trade now. So most people wouldn't come to my DM and tell me you do not let us know how to exit. So that's how you go in for a trade. So yeah, if you're seeing this downtrend here, the market hit this level, it was supposed to reverse, but it still came down. So you can still trade those levels. Once it breaks out, you can still go in for a sell and still take it all the way till when you see a reversal, or when market is trying to go back up again. That's the reversal I'm talking about. You can go in for your buy position. So it's a really simple process here, guys. Same thing on the crash. You can use this for the boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500. But I would definitely prefer the boom 1000, crash 1000, because the 500s can be really tricky at times. The crash, if you're seeing a downtrend like this, you want to be following the spikes. When you see little uptrends, you can probably just decide to go in, but it's risky. When you see an uptrend like this, you can go in for a buy position and take as many candlesticks as possible. So you can also use this pattern and know exactly what you want to do and how you want to take the market. So it's a really simple analysis and it doesn't need much experience or anything. Anyone can actually do this. What I just said now, anyone can do this if you know what I'm trying to say. So if you didn't get any of the information I just passed right now, watch this video again and see you guys again in another video. If you're interested in account management, VIP signals, mentorship program, or my investment, you DM me as soon as possible. So see you guys again tomorrow with another video.